Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to be sowing sunflower from unvinced. This is not verve. This is a sunflower seed I bought last year, and this is called giant single. It grows about 4 meters tall if planted in the ground. I planted in the pots last year and it didn't go well because the pots fell because of the wind, and I'm going to plant these in these seed trays. And I'm going to plant at least 40, 2 in each cell. So I have 20 cell here. I'm going to plant 40 all together when I plant 2 seeds in each cell. So my little brother is also going to help me. So these are the seeds, and this is how sunflower seeds looks like. Everyone knows how they look like. So you can also sow them, actually direct sow them outside, but it's not warm enough, and I want early harvest and early blooms, and that's beautiful. As you can see, you're going to sow it 2 centimeter deep or 1.5 centimeter deep. That's important, and you're going to water it as well afterwards. Cover with more soil afterwards, like I'm doing here, and you're going to keep the soil moist and not wet so that the seeds do not rot, and they will germinate after 2 weeks or so. And they like actually warm temperature, but I'm going to have in my unheated greenhouse so they know the environment outside as well. So as you can see, I'm covering with this more soil, and this is my little brother. And you're going to place it in a sunny position because sunflower, they love sun, and you're not going to let it dry, or else the seedlings will die and you won't get any sunflowers. So now you really have to actually water it. Do not rush to water, all the seeds will dislodge, and you're going to just water it gently. Actually really simple to grow sunflowers from seeds. So I really hope you enjoyed the video, and I will see you later in the next video. Bye.